Hey, what's up guys? Short little video. I've been working on my Silverado the last few days, installing some rock lights. I want to show you guys where I put them at, and then I'll show you guys how they look. So let's check it out. So in each wheel well we got one light, and it's pretty clean. You can't see it when you're looking straight on unless you're looking down from an angle up, then you can. Same thing on the other side. This is the rear. It's kind of hidden in that little gap there. Came out clean. And then in the center, hard to see, but there's one rock light in the middle right there. All the wires hidden through the frame. Hey baby, there's another one behind the grill right there. It's gonna be hard to see, but somewhere in there I hid one behind the grill, and that looks really cool. And then just for shits and giggles, I don't know why I did this, but I put one in the back of the bed. So turn on this light here. Right there at the very back, it's hard to see. At the very end of the bed, I put a rock light. So we're gonna see what these look like. So let's check it out. You ready to look at the lights?
Yeah, but the ice cream store. Can we get some ice cream?
Maybe so, little girl. Hold your horses.
Yeah.
Me, I was there first.
Oh, there it is. Look at red. What color is that, Nini? Green. What's that? Blue. And then yellow looks a little washed out because I guess the colors have to mix. But since they're not so far away from the wheels, it looks kind of funky. But it still looks a little yellowish. Then we got purple, which looks awesome.
Let me choose a color.
You want to choose a color? Okay, here, let me turn off this light. Hold on, hold it right there. We're gonna have the little jabroni choose the colors. Right there we got blue, daddy's favorite color. Match the X3, yeah. Choose another color, baby. What is that, pink? Green. You can see the center one lights up in the middle there. It's kind of a hot spot, but it looks pretty good. And then towards the back, bam, you got some lights in the bed. So it looks pretty dope. So there you have it, some rock lights. If you guys are interested in how to wire these rock lights, I did 3 videos. One on my buddy's Can-Am, my buddy's Razor. Another one on my toy hauler, and another one on my buddy Timmy's Chevy Silverado 3500. So check out those videos. I'll leave links in the description. And thanks for watching as always, guys. See you guys next time. So the rock lights look really cool, and the latest addition is on these mirrors. I added these actually OEM bow ties. Check that out. They're actually made for my wife's Tahoe, but I got an extra set for mine, and they actually fit in there. They're not perfectly straight like they are on Tahoe, but it looks awesome. So those came out pretty cool, and I'm excited for that. I'm gonna do a full overview on my truck very soon because there's not a whole lot I want to do left to it. The only thing, you know, if I wanted to, or if I could afford it, I'd probably swap the 5.3 that's in it for a 6.6 that's out of the 2500. And I'm talking about the gas motor, not the diesel, just for some more power. But besides that, the truck is pretty much how I want it. So I've done a whole bunch of stuff to this, like modifications up the butt. So I'm gonna do a full overview video of that very soon. And yeah, see you guys next time. Peace out.